Welcome back to Malamic Art. My name is Mikki, and today I have a sort of unboxing slash sort of a Patreon gift from an artist I support. Her name is Iris Compiet, or Compiet, but I think it's Compiet. I don't know. I'm French, so I kind of make it sound French. So, and she sends her patrons some, thank yous for supporting her. I had actually gone ahead and sent her some of these paints, which are the core watercolors. Core is by Golden, and these have Aquazal in them, and I wondered if she wanted to try them because she lives in the Netherlands, and I wasn't sure if she was able to get them over there. Come to find out, she can. But I had ended up sending her a bunch of these colors to try, and she sent me this in return, and I am so excited. I had to wait. I got this at I think around 4 o'clock, and I got out of work at 5, and then I come home and I gotta settle my son in, and now it's 6, and I can't wait any longer. So here is one of her stickers. I'm gonna try to save it. So this is, I believe, a troll. Not sure. I'm going to link all of her websites, links, Twitter accounts, etc., so that you can check out her stuff. She just completed Fairies of the Fault Lines book with someone, and absolutely amazing. I think this is even in it, maybe. Gosh, I hope I can say this. I'll try later. But look, she sent some stuff. Oh, wow. So here it is. Oh my gosh. That is too cool. Oh, these are buttons, yo guys. I'm so excited. Oh my word, look at this. And then we have this. Oh no, is this what I think it is? It is, I think it is, you guys. This is her sketchbook. Oh, no, look at that. It's a magnet. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, you guys. Wow, I wanted to buy this sketchbook. Oh my gosh. She got some gold paint on it. Some gold paint on it. This is an original sketch, I think. No way, that's cool. Wait, is it? I don't know. I think it is. Oh wow, you guys. This is so cool. I'm so excited, but check out her stuff. She is brilliant. Her mind is just amazing. This is, and you too could have one of these if you go to her website and order this. So I just want to flip through. Oh my gosh, so cool. She's just, wow. Unbelievable. I'm so blown away. This is so cool. Check out all this stuff. Look at this dude. Hey man, peace. Oh, he's awesome. This is a fairy troll, woodland troll. I don't know, but this is cool stuff. What do you guys think? Run right over and check out her stuff. Seriously, look at all this cool stuff. She inspires me so much. I have a problem with doing portraits of people, and I get to about, I don't know, I get to about this far, and then I'm like, okay, I'm done, and I really want to take it farther, and I want to you know, make it mystical and imaginative. But this is as far as I got. I go. And I'm really kind of stuck in my my ways of creating portraits of people and just face value. And I really, really want a chance to use my imagination. Yeah, what's this? Ooh, this is coming off pretty well, I think. I won't rip. Envelope's ripping, that's okay. Oh my gosh, check it out. What? What? This is so cool. I can't even speak anymore. Look at this, you guys. This is so amazing. Look at these cool things. I don't even know how these are made. They have like this variegation in them. Whoa, look at that. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Iris. I'm just so blown away. Wow. So, I'm telling you guys, go find her stuff. I'll put every bit of her link below. I think she does a YouTube, so I will put it up in the iCard area. And then I will do a link below for that as well. Please go check out her stuff. I mean, she's amazing. And I am so grateful. Thank you so much. Ugh. I'm going to be like poring over this sketchbook. I wanted to order this for my birthday. So excited. All right. Well, here's everything. And I will see you in the next one, guys. Here I am, just blown away. All right. Take care.